Essential oils for colds diffuser can be used as a natural remedy during the winter cold and flu season. For centuries, people have used essential oils to relieve cold and flu symptoms. The most effective essential oils for colds diffuser to use during wintertime are oregano, cinnamon, peppermint, eucalyptus, lemon, and frankincense. Essential oils contain molecules that work together to get rid of viruses and bacteria and to help support the body's overall health. Being able to help reduce symptoms for flu and colds with essential oils for colds diffuser is an option more and more people are choosing. Why essential oils for colds diffuser? Well, with the increased moisture outside during the fall and winter, there's often increased moisture inside, as well. And when we get to around 70 to 80% humidity inside, that creates perfect conditions for bacteria and mold to thrive and multiply. Essential oils for colds diffuser will allow to easily control humidity by removing moisture.